How to stop annoying Windows notification. So if you tap on right over here, you will find a list of notifications that always appear every time. And if you're tired or bored of these, how do we stop them from coming up? So the first step to do this is simply head over to your notification right over here. You can tap right over there and you'll see all the list of the notification. So if you want to just remove it, you can just manually click right over on the cross section and they will be removed. But if you don't want the notification to come on your device, how do you turn off that feature? So right over notification, there is this sleep and buzz icon. So this is the do not disturb icon and it is currently turned off. So if you make this is turned on, then you will not get any messages. As you can see, do not disturb mode is turned on by pressing on right over here. And you'll only see banners for priority notification and alarms. But if you don't want to see even that, what you can do is simply tap on notification settings right over here and it will lead you to your settings. Now, over here, only one thing that you need to do is tap on this notification icon and here you can customize the notification that you want to get, or like this, turn it off manually, or you can just simply tap on this icon and it will turn off all the features at once. And make sure do not disturb is also turned on right here. And if you want to select some time frames, then you can also select the time frames, like when you were playing a game, you don't want to see notifications like that. You can explore these functionalities from your notification settings. And that's it, guys. Simply make sure that the notification is turned off and your do not disturb mode is turned on. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.